Okay, we'll talk. It's been about 8 weeks since I installed these braids, and before you come for me in the comments, yes, I have been moisturizing. Yes, I've been wearing my bonnet at night, but this scalp is calling for help. Now, here's the thing: the last time I washed my braids, and I will never forget this, I went into overconfidence, used the wrong technique, and spent 2 hours watching my edges unravel in slow motion. It was a whole funeral. I cried, the braids cried, we all cried. But that was the old me, new me figured it out. So stay with me. This video will save your braids and your money, because this style is going to stay fresh for another 4 weeks after this. Can I say something first? Because I feel like nobody talks about this. Braids are not cheap. You're spending hours in that salon chair. Your neck is sore, your scalp is tender. You have mentally calculated that if this style lasts for 6 weeks, you are basically saving yourself, some amount of money, right? So the pressure of cleaning braids is so real. Because one wrong move and all the money you spent, everything poof, they are gone. Just like that. I've been there twice, so I'm going to be telling you what the mistakes are. The first time I used too much direct water pressure and my roots basically gave up. And the second time I used a heavy shampoo and the braids turned into one giant frizz, just dry and hard. So I did what any hair girl does. I researched, I tested, I filled some more, and eventually I built a method that works every single time. And today it's yours. And as already shown, I'm using the spray bottle with some clear water, the shampoo, Mega Growth shampoo. I'm using the Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. I'm using the TCB oil sheen. And basically, I'm using also a fiber sort of towel, a small towel. So you're gonna see how we're gonna use it. I'm also using this ether. Yeah. So basically, because my hair absorbs water slowly, hence the reason why I had gone ahead to spray the hair all around with water first, so that it could have absorbed a little bit more moisture from the water earlier sprayed before going ahead to directly spray a little bit more water, not too much, for something that can make the soap that I'm going to include a little bit more effective. Do you understand? So now this is crucial. We are cleaning the scalp and not the braids. If we do anything with the braids, it's just for along the ride. The scalp is the major focus. So the scalp, not the braids. You see, I already parted the hair into sections.
So when I die, which I must do, could it shine down here with you? 'Cause my love is mine, all mine. I love mine. Nothing in the world belongs to me but my love, mine, all mine, all mine. Send of my heart to you. So when I die, which I must do, could it shine down here with you? 'Cause my love is mine, all mine. I love mine. Nothing in the world belongs to me but my love, mine, all mine, all mine. My baby here on earth showed me what my heart was worth. So when it comes to be my turn, could you shine it down here for her? 'Cause my love is mine, all mine. I love mine. Nothing in the world belongs to me but my love, mine, all mine. Nothing in the world is mine for free but my love, mine, all mine, all mine.
So the turness is what keeps your scalp healthy and extends how long your braids will last. You will feel the product working. You know that little tingle That's your scalp telling you thank you. You know, it's like working. So basically, I just repeat the same process for each section, and you know, you already got the first section process, and repeat before we rinse.
So when I die, which I must do, could it shine down here with you? 'Cause my love is mine, all mine. I love mine. Nothing in the world belongs to me but my love, mine, all
And for us to rinse, we are going to apply only downward pressure only. Like we are not doing upward pressure, just down. You're trying to use the towel to clean the scalp, like downwardly, pushing it down and moving it slightly. See how the braids are staying intact. They are not freezing, it's not losing, it's just clean. Like it's not loosening, it's not rigid, it's just no freeze at all. It's clean, it's having a fresh smell, it's not having sweat smell, it's not having heat smell, it's just what clean. You can rinse your towel as many times as you need to, depending on how many times you want to clean or how intense you want to rinse the soap or shampoo you. So again, some of you might be wondering, why is she not in the shower? Why is she just using things like spray bottle, not pouring a lot of water on her hair? It's because my hair absorbs moisture with a long period of time. They don't dry up immediately. That means moisture can get trapped in my hair for like long. So if I apply a lot of water or apply lots of liquid in the hair, it can just worsen what I'm trying to resolve. It could make it smell more, make all the efforts be fruitless. So I have learned to like apply very little amounts of water. So if you don't have a hair dryer or hand dryer, you can allow your hair to air dry. Your hair will air dry properly with the amount of hair like water you already used on your hair. You don't need to worry. I repeat, do not go to sleep with wet braids, especially if you have low porosity hair. Do not go to sleep with wet braids. That's how mildew smells, doesn't leave, it just stays there, and you don't want that. So basically, I go ahead with the hair dryer. I set it to it's blowing like breeze, like cold breeze. No heat at all. It's just basically air. I just needed more air. I wanted it to dry out faster because I wanted to pack it up and head out. So I wanted to dry faster. And I mentioned earlier, my hair traps moisture. It traps water. I cannot be having that and allowing my hair to smell. Something I just cleaned. So it's to allow it to dry. I'm making the process faster with this. Last step, and honestly this is my favorite part because this is when we go from just clean to actually glowing. So I'm applying products from the mid length, light coatings, some parts in the roots, basically moisture. Since there's basically I've cleaned all the products by the base, I need product that would actually work and keep moisture still. Yeah, so I apply a little bit by the roots, then apply majorly the remaining to make sure the hair stays neat, not so frizzy, not so loose, like not rough. Yeah, and make it shine. So yeah, basically I'll apply those products there. So the product I'm using by the roots is just basically little. I would massage lightly, and so just to keep the scalp nourished between the cleaning. And you know what? You see what happy braids they be looking like. They be looking fresh, happy, and clean, shining, set, glowing, glow.
comes to be my turn. So when I die, which I must do, could it shine?